We're having a competition. Oh yeah, brother. Oh yeah. Today, we have the original old school Daisy 880 versus the new Ruger APX multi-shot. You can see the box here. We took the scopes away and we're going iron sight today. This is a 10 shot, so we're gonna make it fair and we're gonna take out the clip. If we can get that out. Bear with us. It's pretty hard to pull back. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna take out the clip. And we're going to insert the single shot mechanism to make it more fair. Got it right here. We're going to insert that so that we can shoot one shot at a time. Now we got that piece in there like so. We can single load some Gold Flight pellets. If you're not familiar, bring them to the Crossman Gold Flight pellet. Greatest pellet in the world. Let's get the top off here. These have increased velocity and penetration. In comparison to something like that, much lighter, weaker, and it's not having the same stopping power or penetration. And you can load these a lot simpler too. So this thing right here, you can load it right into the rifle. You see, you can load it right there. You can load it right in here. You can just place one in there. So we're gonna get these guys loaded up. We're gonna see which ones are more accurate and which one penetrates more with 10 pumps. To make everything fair here, the controlled experiment, we're going to use the same round for each rifle. We're going to start with the APX. We're going to shoot at the fence over here. I don't recommend doing this at home. Your dad might get mad as fuck. So we're going to not tell him. We're not showing the video. We're going to load this up with a single shot. We're going to shoot 10 pumps at the fence and see how deep we get to penetrate. Then we're going to check the other rifle. As you can see, we got one Gold Flight pellet loaded in there. Going to close it, pump it 10 times, and then we're going to fire at the fence. Now, I recommend you guys all have safety glasses when doing this shit. We're going to shoot over here at the black. Right there. Up close and personal. Hopefully no ricochet. Boom. We hit and we penetrated. This motherfucker hit so hard it went through the fence. So I'm going to rate that as a 10 to 10. Let's see what we can do with the next rifle. Now we're going to attempt to load the Daisy 880. We're going to cock back the slide. Sit it up. Prop it. And we're going to put a Gold Flight pellet in there. Bear with us. Hey, we got it on the first shot, but it's backwards. No, it's not. It's in good. Pump it 10 times and we're going to hit the fence. Okay, we're going to shoot for the same area in the black. Safety off, fire and ready. Safety goggles on, guys. This is dangerous shit. As you can see, the penetration was not thus the same. It was about 8 out of 10. The pellet is stuck in there with some oil residually around it. So I gotta give it to the Ruger. Much more penetration, much more dangerous. We can access that test right there as a win for the Ruger. It went all the way through when the other one got stuck. Damn, I didn't expect that, Daisy. Now time for an accuracy test. We're gonna shoot at the same dinosaur down the range. We're gonna go for T-Rex. If we're gonna walk over here, we're gonna show you where we're shooting at. No zooming, clipping, and cropping. Right here, this T-Rex here, we're gonna go for him. And we're gonna see who hits them easiest. Out of 3 shots, who lays them out. Since this is to be a controlled accuracy experiment, both guns will be firing off the bag. Off the bag, mounted to see about accuracy and test here. So let's load up our gun, set up our camera, and let's go. First up is the Ruger, the black APX multi-shot. We're gonna fire off the bag into the dinosaur and see if we can knock him out in one shot and see if we can hit him in one shot. Safety first, safety off, accuracy second. Let's go. First shot we got to kill. Hit him hard as fuck. Let's go on, move on over to the Daisy 880 and see how we do. Hubert, set that target back up. No doubt. Now we pump the Daisy 880, 10 pumps just like the APX multi-shot Ruger. And we got one Gold Flight pellet in here. Let's see if we can knock the dinosaur out in one shot. This is my baby, so I shouldn't miss this one. Oh, safety's on. Safety off, fire and ready. Are you ready or what? What do you think, motherfucker? Now that thing was a lot more powerful. It knocked it all the way off of the target. So I don't know which one is more stronger here. The APX we got for penetration. But on hitting power, stopping power, we got to give it to the Daisy right here. So only way to conclude is to say they're about a tie. That's it, guys. Like and subscribe, and let's show the guns again, Hubert. The Daisy 880 power line and the APX new multi-shot Ruger. I'm gonna have to give it to these guys as a tie for power, as a tie for accuracy, but penetration, we're gonna give it to the APX for what it did to that damn fence. We could have shot that in a different spot and knocked it off, I don't know. But the sound of it, I gotta give it the stopping power to the Daisy. They're both almost the same length. The Daisy is a little bit shorter. If you can see, the barrel's a little young, but they're both knocking shit off the park. So I got a new baby here. APX guys, I recommend go to Walmart and get a Ruger 177 multi-pump pellet air rifle, and they're only $59, and this thing's worth at least $100 on the shot. Over and out.